Bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Alright, I'm just fucking with you guys. I'm actually getting that one right there. Wow. I'm actually kind of impressed. Like, very impressed. Look at that. That is a whole ass motorcycle. Fucking caliper. Look at that rotor, too. And it's by golfers, so you know we stopping good. Brembo brakes. Just, I mean, like everything you could want on a dirt bike from the factory. I never knew about this bike until recently. Brembo in the rear, WP, fully adjustable air suspension, air shock. We'll talk about it later.
A few moments later.
Electric start, as well as traction control and quick shifting, and 2 modes. Comes with Metzler slicks. I'm in love with this thing. This is literally my first time on it. So yeah, I bought a fucking Husqvarna, but more importantly, I bought a fucking Supermoto. Wait until the radiators are hot. Yep, that's hot. Ooh, yep, that's hot. Okay, brakes. Okay, so the clutch is so far out, I can one finger pull it. That's kind of nice. I bought a fucking 450. Fuck. This is sick. No fucking way. This thing's gonna rip. As if I was wearing boots, but like even too tall for the boots, because like right here my foot's just I have so much room. So we're gonna rip some back roads. I think this is a 5-speed or a 6-speed? I don't know. Yeah, I think 5-speed. Traction control. I should have learned about this stuff. Oh, that turns it. Okay, so I'm guessing on means on. Which way do we want to go? We'll go straight. We'll go straight. I'm gonna master this road this year. We can actually like take some pictures here. Yeah, I'm about to take pictures.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. It was one of those, like, I saw it in person, and the second I saw it, I was like, you just know. Like, you literally just know. I was, like, originally going to get a dirt bike, I'm not going to lie. I walked in there, I was like, yeah, like, that jaunt is what I need. Like, whatever the fuck that is, I'm walking out with it. This is a road that I'm probably going to ride a lot. Because it's limited driveways, as you guys see. I've taken R6 and everything else here, but it's so tight-knitted that it's hard to actually like get anything going on a bigger bike. The R1, I mean, yeah, you're going to be in like second gear the entire time, and it's a lot of weight to be moving around. These corners are really tight, or a lot of them are blind, actually. I kind of forgot all about it until today. Like, it's one of those roads that I forget about every time I go out riding, and then if I end up in the area or I see it, I just like, oh, I remember this, and I literally turn off every time. All right. I really want to, like, the clutch is just, it's like at the top, and I'm just not used to that for any bike, I guess. Even though I could one finger it, I just have to get used to it. Like, yeah, I can one finger this. It's taking everything out of me to not shred as hard as I can right now. You have so much potential! That looks so cool. It's like piercing the cloud. That's the quick shifter right there. This thing's fucking, oh my gosh. See his brakes. Oh my gosh! I didn't expect it to react like that. So like, I'm sitting here and it just like threw me up, and I'm like, oh shit! Like I'm about to go over the bars. Like you gotta. Oh my gosh! So that's what happens when you put a literal motorcycle Brembo caliper on a freaking, what, 212 pound, 220, I don't know what it weighs. I do indeed don't know where I want to go. I'm starving, so I need food. It's not that deep. It's not that deep. Oh my god. This is why I bought you! This is exactly why I bought you! Let's go! Oh, it's so awesome. Cool. There's stuff on the ground I need to watch out. There's some big ass trees. Oh, look at the little teepee guy. Wait, is this like soft dirt? First day I'm already in the dirt. Oh, no, I don't want to do all that. No, that looks messy. Oh, look at the deer. Oh. I'm good there. Should be alright. Hopefully. So what's in here? What? That looks like a pen. Like what? I'm just like curious what this place used to be. This had to be like a little like festival, like park area. The hippo on the wall really confuses me. How do these work? You just like pedal? Like I completely forgot to talk about it, but let me just run over some of the things that come with it from the factory. Air shocks up front, which are adjustable. WP, now these are both coming from KTM owns this company, but we have the WP rear shock as well. Brembo brake system, two braided line, master cylinder, massive. Look at, like, that just looks good. That looks so good here. Brembo caliber, this is coming off of like a street bike with a golfer rotor, pro taper bars, domino, whatever the fuck you call that, Metzler tires. Comes with quick shift, comes with traction control, comes with two different modes, hydraulic clutch with a slipper clutch, which makes those downshifts a little bit easier, a little bit smoother, especially if like you're on the track. Coming over to here, I don't really know what the fuck I'm looking at. You got some of that, you got some of this. Whoa, you slide really quick, huh? Okay, a little bit of this, mixed with a little bit of, and you get that. That's fifth gear, just like that. That's ridiculous. The gearing is not set up for street usage. Doesn't upset me because, ooh, You guys ever notice that? I do that a lot. I want to point it out, and I'm aware of it. When I see aggressive brake, like I have to aggressively brake, my first natural like response is make sure that I'm safe enough to stop. I'm stopping faster than these cars, but was checking my rear, because if I see a car on my ass, clearly they can't stop as fast as I can. So if I slam on my brakes, that car behind me, if they're on my ass, like they're going into the back of me. So I look back to make sure if there was a car behind me, I probably would have went to the side of that Honda just to clear it. So if the car behind me couldn't stop in time, he's hitting the Honda, not me. You know what I mean? Like, combo.